My dear viewers, now discuss evaporation as a physical change. Okay, the evaporation of water is a physical change when water evaporates. It changes from a liquid state to the gaseous state. Okay, but it is still water. It has not changed into other state, that is the other substance, that is ice or steam. All the changes state are physical change, that is water to steam, also water to ice. Okay, now show the picture. Create the water to evaporation. Okay, now the picture source of water. Create evaporation by the sun ray. Upper side condensation by gravitation force for the water drop, that is rain. Okay, my dear viewers, any query please comment in box.